Hey everybody, look at what we have here. This is another yard sale found TV. My mom found this one. My dad found the Mitsubishi TV, which is in the living room. That's it right there, which I'm pretty sure you've seen it. But anyways, my mom found this one today at a yard sale for around $40. It's the Insignia, which is the Best Buy house brand. It is a 32-inch 720p TV. The native resolution on this TV is 1300 something by 768. So let's go ahead and plug it up to the computer and see how well it works. Okay, now I plugged up my laptop using an HDMI cable. We'll see how well this TV works. I may have to set the resolution first. I mean the input, which is fairly easy to do. It's turned on. Let's go ahead and see here. Select HDMI 2. And my computer should be configured to automatically make changes. When it's doing a 1 to 2, it's doing duplicate display. They're going to change this to only show on number 2. TV seems to work great. And keep changes. This TV has a native resolution of 1360 by 768. I'll set it to that. Select OK. Give it a second to adjust. So yeah, it's not a 1080p, but it's still puts out a really good picture. Go ahead and load up Windows Media Center to show you how that would look if this is a home theater computer. Pretty much average audio. Of course, not 100% crystal clear audio, but not bad though. Of course, if you don't already know, this is Windows Media Center. It's a free feature in Windows 7. It comes standard in Windows 7, Home Premium and up, and it's a optional pay for feature in Windows 8. You get Professional and then pay for the Media Center extension in Windows 8. So this is the program that's built into Windows that allows you to turn your computer into a DVR. I actually have recorded TV shows stored on here from my other computer, but I can't play them due to copyright issues, so I'm not going to do that. So not bad. TV has a nice picture. Now, if that's said, I'm going to go ahead and turn around and have a look at the connections on the back of it. One thing I noticed about this TV is it does not have a very good quality stand. Earlier when I was moving the TV around, the stand popped loose and the TV about fell over. Of course, I had my hand on it, so it's nothing to worry about. But still, just if you have one of these TVs, be careful because the stand is very cheap. Go ahead and cut this laptop off and go ahead and have a look at the TV on the back side. It's a pretty basic run-of-the-mill TV. Go ahead and spin it around. It has your basic connections, but it's not. When you compare this to the Mitsubishi DLP TV we got, there's not as many connections there. But we do have quite a few connections to work with. We have audio out here, SPDIF, 2 HDMI connections here, analog cable or digital antenna connection here. Let's see if we have component connections for audio and video. We have S-video, audio, video, and composite here. VGA in for the computer, and audio for the computer goes in here. The only bad thing about this setup is, let's say you have a PC that has a DVI to HDMI adapter cable. On the Mitsubishi, it is set up where you can use that adapter cable and plug up some extra connections for audio. But to be honest with you, since the audio on this TV is pretty much run of the mill, I mean it's halfway decent, but could be better. If I was using this as my own setup, I'd have the audio handled by an extra component. Let's say a good pair of speakers and a stereo receiver. But anyways, we have more connections here. We have, let's see, more audio connections. This is another audio video in. It's a composite S-video, a third HDMI hookup, and a headphone jack here. And of course power comes in over here, and it uses the same kind of power cord that a computer uses, so it's pretty convenient. Let's say if you lose a power cord, you won't have a hard time finding a replacement. And here's another look at the front. We don't have any connections on the front of this one. The Mitsubishi does, but this one does not have any connections up front. But still though, it's not bad. Not bad for $40. So anyways, I just wanted to share that with you. Any questions or comments? Feel free to ask, and thanks for watching.